The terrain is pretty slippery, as we can see. At least there is a path, but having to see the place. We like that. Don't jinx it. You better not push me, dog. Are we almost near? Halfway? Yo, Pitbull. What's the name of the dog? The Pitbull? Sam. Sam, come here.
Never mind.
Sam! I'm gonna talk to you.
Sam, you're gonna be part of the vlog. Yeah, we can rest here.
Can I film your dog? Whose dog is this?
Diana.
You're Diana? What's up, Diana? Hey, yo, what's up, dog?
What's up, dog?
Are we taking a break? Oh,
She already knew you were gonna fall. She's taking a nap. She helped you. See, earlier she was...
What is up, everybody? My name is Yuri and welcome back to my vlog. I know I'm wearing this thing again, but guess what? I have 3 pairs of this, so I'm not wearing the same clothes all over again.
You probably are, but we're not gonna tell them.
Anyways, we are now hiking in Sella Bay.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
So it's a pretty steep hike. There is Ron, Melina's mom. She's gonna be a soon YouTuber. Show the camera there. This is Joby from Texas. She came all the way down here to just visit Guam. And this is Astrid. Where are you from, Astrid? From Texas too. So we have special guests coming from Texas. So yeah, it's nice and good company that they are here in our vlog. In 45 minutes already since we've been hiking here in Sella Bay. It's not that easy. It's pretty slippery and plus it's steep too. But stay tuned, guys. What about we got to go here? Whew. If anything, madali lang to, hike na to. The only problem is it was raining so much na nagkaroon nga ng mud. Tulad nga nasabi ni Ron. So the tree is your best friend here. Like what I said, I am not a professional hiker, but I believe it's nice. You can do it as long as you have belief in yourself and baby steps. That's the thing about this. Okay. Definitely the tree is your best friend here. Ew, there's leech. There. Just kidding, guys. Manengan. Oh shit. Is this Manengan River? Ron, Manengan, Manengan. I think we're almost there. Almost there. Lahat ng pagod. Napawi. What's up, dog? What's up? Yeah! We're here! Woo! What's up, vlogger? I think we're finally here. Right, Sammy? Sam! Sam! Don't ignore me! Okay. Okay. It's beautiful here. It's time to swim. You gotta wear your shoes here because the water's, I mean not the water, but mabato siya. Do you know the turtle? Turtle, come here. Are you really a turtle? That's not a turtle. Freaking people. That's not a turtle, guys. Ay, ay, ay. What's up, dogs? Did you guys guard the... Oh, what happened to my bag?
Why?
Oh, and what happened to my hat? Oh, really? You're guilty, huh? That's why you don't want to look at me.
Like, I don't really care.
This one doesn't really care at all.
It's human, I don't really
Gosh. Oh well. Bye, guys.
Hey.
So they are going first.
Really?
While we are on foot. And then we're gonna go ahead and go back. Alright.
Check, it's 1:30 p.m.
1:30 p.m. hatid sa inyo ng Ron Balinas Foundations. If you guys can see, napakabato nga naman talaga. But there is actually, if kung naobserbahan nyo dun sa drone shots, makikita nyo talaga yung tipong difference ng yung brown and then the blue. That blue is really deep, approximately 13 to 20 feet yung lalim niya. But so far, it's pretty nice in here. Sella Bay. This is Sella Bay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? Ready? Going back?
Oh, ready.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready!
Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Yay! Okay. Nice experience here in Sella Bay. Now we're actually heading back. I think this is the hard part because not only that it's actually mahirap, pero the problem is yung elevation ba. So ayun yung parang nagpapakahirap doon.
Incline.
The incline. So, Man, what time is it?
I don't have time, but you probably around past 1.
Correct. Kanina na huling time check natin is 1:30-ish. Right now we're going probably mga 1:45. 1:42. There you go. Okay, just for a break. We've been hiking for about 5 minutes, but
Yeah. And it's all uphill now.
mas mahirap yung uphill going up kaysa sa pababa. The only advantage with uphill is na hindi madulas masyado as you have more control. guys in a bit. I'm just gonna try to conserve some battery. It's about 5%. No. Stay tuned, guys. And that concludes our vlog for today. We're just gonna go on and just eat here in Lee Gardens, here in Agate. I hope you guys enjoy our vlog. Once again, this is Yuri Resuma. Peace out.